Hey everyone, we have this Vedak brand Rajma. Let's check it out. As you know that Vedak is an Amazon own home brand and this one is a 500 gram pack. MRP is 150. I got it from Amazon for just 80 rupees and it has a shelf life of 4 months. This one is unpolished red Rajma which is usually smaller in size and packed with high iron content. As you can see that all the beans are uniform in size and have a beautiful deep red color. Okay, this one is different from Chitra Rajma which look like this, and red Rajma takes a bit longer to cook, so you need to soak it for 8 to 10 hours, and for best result give one whistle on high flame, then let it cook for 6-7 whistles on low flame. And after boiling you can see the beans are soft and creamy, but they haven't lost their shape. And I cooked it in very simple way, no fancy masala, yet it gives like a dhaba style rich gravy. Taste is very authentic and Rajma has absorbed all the spices perfectly. Overall for 80 rupees, this red Rajma is totally value for money deal. It's definitely worth a try, and subscribe for more. Bye bye.